In this video, I'll be finishing off the ceiling by boxing in along the door side where the gap between the wall and the ceiling is. This section's just made from a batten and a piece of 12mm MDF screwed together to make the right angle. So I made that and then gave it a few coats of the same white paint as the walls and it was ready to fit. This got screwed directly into the rib that sticks out, so it goes straight into the steel, meaning that it's nice and strong. The section above the door is going to be covered by a piece of PVC trim and then painted. I'm adding in this hanging rail, which should be quite handy for hanging all sorts of stuff from. This was made from some steel conduit, which was cut to length, then sanded down to give it a textured look. Then finally lightly polished using some metal polish to give it a subtle shine. Once that was done, it was fitted into place using these wall mounts. and then I added loads of these hooks allowing you to hang various items from the rail. With that done, I then stuck the PVC trim above the door using some flexible adhesive. Then I caulked the gap between that and the ceiling, and then gave that and the door rail a coat of the ceiling paint. That was then the ceiling all finished, and we were ready to move on to changing the van's sliding door. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, and I'll see you in the next one.